padadandam bhakta vrinda shamannitam Sri Chaitanya Prabhu Bande Nityanando Sahoditam Shri Nanda Nandana Shri Radhika Charanadayam Shri Gopijana Samajuktam Vrindavano Manoharam Sri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Sri Advaita Gadadhara Shivasadi Gaur Bhakta Vrinda Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare Hare. All glories to Sri Guru and Gauranga. All glories to Sri Hare Krishna Mahamantra Sankirtan. All glories to Guru Parampara. All glories to assembled devotees. So anyway, today I got question from again Bhaktarup Prabhu from Malaysia that he is not able to understand what I explained. Mention prompting of a heart. Can you please kindly request Maharaj to explain again what is this? Bhaktarup Prabhu cannot understand Paramatma related answer. Paramatma related answer. Paramatma and mind, right? I think I explained, right? My intuition. Intuition, this feeling inside, this is called intuition, right? And intuition with confirmation, again and again confirming. No, this is that. The Chaitya Guru. So when this confirming, that is called. In that way, differences. It is very difficult to. Only who has such feeling, they can realize it. I don't know which language I have to speak. What is my depthness of English language? Intuition and intention. This is sometimes it's always coming from our mind because of an association. And when confirmation again and again. This is called Chaitya Guru. Chaitya Gurus, whenever he put again and again, that is called Chaitya Guru. That is, we can make a differences in that manner. Anyway, also I heard someone using Ma for Srimati Radharani. Is it correct? Listen. First of all, Radharani Ashray Tattva, center. Ma is Shakti Tattva. But if someone using, because Krishna and Radharani is not different. We are using this Tameva Mata Chapita Tama. We are using for Krishna like he said. You are my mother, you are my father, you are my friend, you are my bosom friend, you are my wealth, you are my studies, everything, all in all, you are my God. In that way, if someone using for his mind satisfaction, let him use. What is the problem? Krishna says, there's, according to our mood, he will appear to us. What is the, So, but Radharani Ashtadatto, to take shelter of Radharani, we can establish our eternal identity. Better for us, think about our shelter. So anyway, also Shaman told that Hare Krishna Mahamantra can also give service to Lord Ram and Sita if someone desire for them. Hare is Sita for them and Krishna is Lord Ram. So who is all attractive and Ram is Lord Rama is Lord Rama in whom Sita takes pleasure. Is it correct? Listen, according to our lineage, I may say, or I will say, not I may say, I will say that it is not correct. Because our goal of practice to worship Radha Krishna in Vrindavan, not in Ayodhya. Radha Krishna and Ayodhya they are Ram Sita. So tradition, our lineage tradition, Radhe means Radhe, Krishna means Krishna, Rama means also Krishna. This is Radhika Ramana Rama. This is Radhika Ramana Rama. Am I clear? And if someone thinks they want to serve Lord, they want to serve Lord in Ayodhya, they can chant. What's the problem? Krishna also explained that Ye Jathamam Prapaddanti Tathayo Bhajamaham. So Krishna appeared accordingly. Ram Sita. Any more question? I don't think so. I don't know, here's too many mail today. Yeah? Yeah, 2 days at that. Yeah, Srila Guru, I don't know who may send this. Please accept my humble obeisance. Could you explain the meaning of the names of satellites of Sula? I don't know. Satellites of Srila Prabhupada Bhaktisiddhanta Saraswati Thakur. Satellites means Satellits. The no meaning? I don't know. Name of satellites. And anyway, what does the name of our Param Gurudev Srila Bhakti Pramod Puri Goswami mean? Thank you very much.
Satellites means different groups of satellites.
Yes.
They are using satellites.
Okay. Satellite. What do you mean? Satellite means?
Different groups. Like Prabhupada's different groups things.
The what?
From Prabhupada.
Yutta. Different yutta. Maybe about the gopis and different groups.
Could you explain the meaning of the names of satellites of Srila Prabhupada Bhaktisiddhanta Saraswati Thakur? Any satellite of Srila Prabhupada? Connection or
Branches of Prabhupada's different branches, satellites.
or Prabhupada different branches? Think about, if it is so, you are asking Prabhupada different grove, kunja, just go to the different Gaudiya Math, which is established by his disciple. That is the satellite. I don't know exactly what you want to say. What does the name of the Param Gurudeva? No, that's not like that. Maybe there's actually eternal name. Right? I don't know what is his question, but anyway, just I am thinking if it is his eternal name, eternal form. This is a Nayanamani Manjari. And if it is, you are asking about my Gurudev, so I already explained so many times Palasha Manjari, so it's okay. I don't know apart from that whatever your question. So I'm not sure what is this. I don't think so. Any more question? Okay. Krishnamurti. Prayer will come today. No, especially when you see that so many children are. Oh, that I did explain, huh? Yesterday. No question today anyway. So we are in dilemma to continue this 4th chapter. Few devotees says that we are not able to understand Radha. I don't know what I will do, but anyway, I promised yesterday I will explain a little bit. The Lakshmi, that is Prabhav and Akar Sharup Bhede. Akar Sharup Bhede Brajadevi Gan. Kayab Buhorup Tar Rashir Karan. Kaya means Sarir, Buha means expansion. That form like Lalita, Vishakha, Chitra, Sampaglata, Rangadevi, Chudevi, Tunga Vidya, Hindu, etc. Different type of service they have, different type of mood they have, different type of position they have, according to their melos. রসের বন্ধন চমৎকারিতার জন্য একই লাদিনীর বহু প্রকাশ same ladini but many different manifestations just to getting the different taste the mellow বহু কান্তা বিনা নহে রসের উল্লাস লীলার সহায় লাগি বহুত প্রকাশ লীলার সহায় লাগি বহুত প্রকাশ তার মধ্যে ব্রজে নানা ভাব রস ভেদে কৃষ্ণকে করায় রাসাদিক লীলা সদে Radhika Panchana, 5 name of Radharani. Govinda Nandini Radha, Govinda Mohini, Govinda Sarvasya Sarvakanta Shiramani. Different type of Govinda Nandini. Radha's different. Radha means what? Rad means Satto, satisfaction. There is explanation of Radha. Ra Shabda Tranat Spito Bhavoti Madhavo. Who is chanting Ra, that sound vibration, make Madhava become happy. Dha means Madhava is rushing to that person, toward that person who is chanting Ra. Such type of Govinda Nandini. Govinda's Vilas Murti. Govinda Mohini, Mohan Murti. Mohan means whose mind or attraction. Nandini means giving blissful. Govinda Sarvasya. All. Govinda is all. Nothing like that. Who's Govinda? Who's thinking Govinda is my all? I don't want anyone. Sarvakanta Shiramani. Sarvakanta means how many wives, how many Brajagopis amongst the all, who is topmost. Shiramani means crown of all Kanta means wives or associates. That is the different name. The different Bahu Kanta Bina Nahe Rashe Ullas. Like when you are eating in a feast, we are making a lot of preparation, showery, fiery, then salty. We need some different taste. So then we can say great feast. Only sweet and go, it will not work. This is a big feast. So how we usually arrange our Guru Varga's festival, especially our Diksha Guru's festival, appearance, disappearance, with our best ability, making lots of preparation, make festival grand way to manifest. Or similarly, Bahu Kanta Vina, same. All are expansion of Radharani. Gopis are expansion of Radharani. So Mahisi are expansion of Radharani. Everybody expansion of Radharani. But according to help the pastimes, they appear accordingly, different places. When Raso dance, that time different type of gopis there. Only Parokia. Then another place is Shakiya, means only. It's a different type of Shakiya, Parokia. তার মধ্যে ব্রজে নানা ভাব রস ভেদে কৃষ্ণকে করায় রাসাদি কিল্লাসাদে। I already explained, I think, the different type of melo like Shakha, when Krishna goes for cow herding. All the Brajagopis, they appear as a Shakha, friendship. When parentual, then Nanda Yashoda appear in that way. When Krishna opulence from in Mathura, then Vasudev Devaki. In Vrindavan, then Nanda Yashoda. Different melos, different way. Then Brihat Gautamiya Tantra Vakya. Devi Krishna Mai Praktam Radhika Paradevata Sarva Lakshmi Mai Sarva Kanti Sammohini Para. Devi Krishna Mai, whose mind, eyes, everything. Krishna Mai, Krishna Jan, Antare Bahire, Jaha Jaha Netra Pade, Taha Krishna Shpura. Radhika like this. Wherever turning her face, wherever his vision goes, everywhere he looks Krishna, Krishna, Krishna. So, someone may say, oh, they are not chanting, what to do with that? Mind, Krishna step on that. Radha's mind or Krishna step. Radha no need to that. Radha no need to the tilak. Radha don't, because Radha herself dearest than Tulsi. Why is he need Tulsi? No need. Paradevata Radhika Devi Sakshat Krishna. Paradevata, extremely intimate personification. Radhika Devi, Sakshat Krishna. Always think about Krishna. Sarva Lakshmi Mai. All Lakshmi. How do I explain before yesterday? That explain. Sarva means all. Lakshmi means all Lakshmi. How many Lakshmi exist? Thousands. Lakshmi Shavasya Shatsamama. Sahasra means thousands and thousands of Lakshmi. Sarva Kanti. All type of gopis from they are Sarva Kanti. Krishna Sammahini. Krishna Sammahini. Now if you really want to relate with Krishna, you have to be with Radharani. Because Krishna explained, O Parashakti, transcendental potency, Parashakti. Valiya Katitaya Radharani. The sloka is Devi Krishnamayi Prakta Radhika Paradevata Sarva Lakshmi Mayi Sarva Kanti Sarva Sammahini Para. Is that? Then our Srila Bhaktivinoda Thakur Amrita Prabha Bhashya, he explained like this. Paradevata Radhika Devi Sakshat Krishna. Paradevata means no one compare with. No one can compare, oh, I am as like Radha. No. All they are subordinated to Radha, you can say, not like. All they are helping Radharani to please Krishna. They are no, Krishna not accepting any service without Radha. Therefore, Krishna in Brahma Vaivarta Puran, he explained in this way, with confirming manner. Shattang Shattang Punah Shattang Shattameva Punah Punah. How many Shattam? Shattam is truth. This is truth. Sattam, Sattam, Punah Sattam. Three times. First 2 times, then again Punah, means again I am telling the truth. Sattameva Punah Punah. Again I am telling truth. Truth. What? Truth. Bina Radha Prasadena. Without Radharani's mercy, without Radharani's mercy, no Radharani's mercy. Mat Prasadat, my mercy. Navidyate, no one can get. No one can get. So therefore, we have to be in this line. Otherwise, we will be in trouble. Also, Bhaktivinoda Thakur explained in one of his songs, Radha bhajan jara moti nahi bhela Krishna bhajan tar akarane gela. Radha bhajan means Radha service. If anyone doesn't want to follow the footsteps of Radharani, entire endeavor to please Krishna, akara means become useless, not giving any benefit. अकारण नहीं गया राधा भजन जान मोती नहीं भेला मोती mind should be there. You should not think, okay, practice now, then when I, as soon as get reach over there, then I kick Radha. It's not possible. It's not possible. Material world, any kind of material position, you can do that. But in spiritual position, where there is no hypocrisy will take place. Therefore, Srimad Bhagavatam, which is book representing pure devotion, no karma, no gyan. There is explanation that Vyasadeva composed so many books, Upanishad, Purana, divided Vedas, Vedanta, so many. But mentally he was not satisfied, always in anxiety. It was his curiosity. I explain the glories of Lord with writing so many books. Why I am not feeling happy in mind? In mind I am not feeling happy. Why? It was his curiosity. In his ashram, Sammapra ashram, he was sitting and thinking. You know why? Because it is also composed that bhakti is, if you think my devotional practice going ahead properly, first symptom will be that klesagni, free from all distress, no misery. No distress, you can say, no distress, no depression, you can say. So when we are in depression, then it's a problem. So therefore, Vyasadeva was sitting in his ashram, Sammapra ashram, and thinking about this. What's the problem I have? I wrote so many books. Oh, my Gurudev, Narad Muni appeared and explained, "O Vyash, although you wrote so many books, but you are not describing the extreme glory. You describe bhakti, but mixing with karma and jnana, but not extreme glories. Nirmal, no dot. Karma and jnana is a dot. Therefore, bhakti, they are describing karma and jnana like a pot of poison. Karma kando, jnana kando, kevali bisher bhando, amrito boliya jeva khaye, nana jani bhumi more, কদর্য ভক্ষণ করে তার জন্ম অধঃপতে যায় কর্মকাণ্ড জ্ঞানকাণ্ড কর্মকাণ্ড means which activities in giving us name, fame, desire, increasing our name, fame, desire, that is called karmakanda. When you are doing anything, right, I am doing here at Sheva, cooking, not to think about for Krishna. Cooking, think about for devotee should think about my skill of cooking. Then karma, not bhakti. Although you cook for Krishna. But if we think this, I am cooking for Krishna, under the guidance of Radharani, definitely it will be delicious. No? Therefore, we should think about karma or jnana, always puffed up with our knowledge. I know bhakti. I know that much shastra. I know 18,000 texts of Srimad Bhagavatam, 700 texts of Bhagavad Gita. I can recite without, but either recite from my heart. Such popped up. No. It will not also work for devotion. For devotional practice, it will not work. Devotion is different. No gyan will not work. It's full of love, without any expectation. That is called devotion. So, Narad Muni explained, although you compose many books, but you mix everything. You are not describing Nirmal Bhakti. Nirmal means no dirt, no karma, no gyan, no any expectation, wholly devotion. So what to do? As they were asking, Narad said, write Bhagavatam. Bhagavatam. Srimad Bhagavatam. Then he explained 4 texts. First he says, Jnanam paramagujjhaname jadavijnana shamannitam Sharahashyam tadagancha grihana gaditamaya. I am giving you knowledge. Gujja, very hidden knowledge. Vijnana. Jnanam paramagujjhaname jadavijnana shamannitam. It is scientific also. Sarahashyam, rahasya, it is mystery. My two arms, 4 arms, 8 arms, different arms, different pastimes, how I appear, why I appear, what is my goal of pastime, all rahasya. So, therefore, Bhagavatam, main slok 4. But it expands, the rahasya, mysteries, expand its 18,000 texts. Aho, means like this, starting like this. Aho, eva shamevagre, nannadjat sat param, paschadaham jagaccha, Jovashishyati sasyam Rityartham yat pratyeta na pratyeta jatmani tadavid maya jatha bhasha jatha tamaha jatha mahanti bhutani bhutisuchar vachishvano pravishtanna pravishtani Tatha teshu nati vashyam etavadeva jiggasam tattva jiggasanatman annamayo vyatirikabhyam jatsat saravatro sharavada. 4 sloka. Such a huge meaning inside this 18,000 texts appear. Bas, void the hidden bas. Bas means expansion. They expand. So anyway, so bhakti is different, Bhakti we cannot compare. So Radhika, Radharani is the embodiment of prema. And bhakti means service with prema. It's not, it's not easy to understand. It's not easy to understand. We are thinking, okay, we are chanting, we have initiation, we are chanting, and I can back to coordinate. You are in school. You are admitted in a school like a Cambridge or I don't know whatever. Maybe what is the best university?
Oxford.
Oxford, what is it?
Harvard.
Harvard University, whatever. You are attending that class, but your failure, you are not able to pass the exam. Are you able to get the certificate? Do anyone believe, okay, you are Harvard student, you are qualified, give job? Never. So our certificate is this, our attachment. Not question of to whom you took initiation. Which institution you are, that's no matter. Matter is what you have, what is your inner position. Still feeling you are free from all attachment, whatever material attachment we have. How long we have that attachment, material attachment, that many period of time we have to come back in material world. Forget about go back to spiritual world. Someone, I heard that Gaudiya Math not accepting chanting 16 round. Or someone say Gaudiya Math chanting 4 round, not chanting. So many different. But we can go back to spiritual level in 16, through chanting 16 round. Even you can chant 1 round, you can go back. This is true. But are you free from this ego? Are you free from the material attachment? If someone is free from attachment, it's very easy to test them. Just to make them angry. Use some unusual language for them, and then you see about him, not others. You are foolish, you don't know anything, then you can, if his face become reddish and angry, then you can see he is not free from material attachment. Why I am telling so? This is the criteria. Maya Devi testing us, our tolerance. Maya Devi testing our tolerance. Like Lalita Sakhi. Her mood is khandita. There is no excuse. If you do any mistake, immediately chastise with that. Immediately chastise. But if your goal to serve Radharani, you have to wait. Follow. Right? Because Lord is appointed by who? Radha. Very intimate associate Lalita. Radharani's intimate associate Lalita. Therefore, no matter what she said, matter is how much she engaged me to Radha's services. That is the matter. How much he engaged me. That is a perfection. Because our goal to serve Radha, but not directly. Through Manjari and Lalita. Forget about your shlok, how much you are reciting, how much you are in position in big society, that's the matter. Society should be free from envy. If society in the stage of envy, that means this is not spiritual society, this is material society. This is not Mahaprabhu's society. When we are discriminating, we are rejecting the Mahaprabhu's society is non-judgmental, non-sectarian. That is the Mahaprabhu society. When you are judgmental, selective, and discriminating, selective, discriminating, both are same. They are using that. This is the problem for us. Spiritual practice is not question of puffed upness, question of humbleness. Question of humbleness and humility. This lineage, ornament of this Mahaprabhu's lineage is humility. There is no question of, I know that much, that many shlokas. I know that much. I know better than everyone. I am a good orator. Okay, you are a good orator. But that skill will not take us. A good orator, I am. That is called ahankar, false ego. False ego pulling us down to the material earth. So it's very clear. So therefore, if you really want to enter a spiritual abode, you have to be completely free from all attachment. No question of I belongs to big society, I know that much Shastra, I know I have so much disciples. No question of that. Question of how much you become humble yourself from the bottom of your heart, not like you for sure. Because hypocrisy will not work here, because Lord in our heart, Lord sitting in our heart, whatever we think in our heart, in our mind, in our consciousness, in our chitta, He can read everything. You cannot cheat Lord. I can cheat all of you, but I cannot cheat my Lord. The Lord in my heart. So therefore, we have to always try our best way to become free from cheating tendency. Should not cheat others. Others may cheat us, but we should not think to cheat others. Such mentality we have to establish. Then our chant one day could be pure stage. Otherwise, chanting is like a chintamani, thought fulfilling stone. Whatever you think during chanting, oh, I am chanting and thinking how to cheat Aviram. Aviram is cheating me, I will how to cheat Aviram. That you can get. But goal of your practice. Real goal of our practice is to deliver ourselves from this miserable condition and engage in the service of divine couple under the shelter of Lalita Sakhi. That is our main goal. Therefore, we have to be free from all sense enjoyment object as well as material attachment. So therefore, so Devi Krishna Mai Prokta Radhika Paradevata Sarva Lakshmi Mai Sarva Kanti Sammahini Para. So then Slokartho means meaning of the sloka. Then Saundarjo বা বিলাসের আধার, beautiful, beautification, and bilas means pastimes. Bilas means manifestation of pastimes. Adhar means just like a element, quality. The Devi kohi doto mana Parama Sundari Kimba Krishna Puja Kiran Basati Nagari. That's very nice, huh? Devi Kahi Doto Mana. Devi Kahi Doto Mana. Duti Brishishta. Duti means it's extremely dear. Parama Sundari, extremely beauty. Krishna Puja, worshipping Krishna. Je Kira, which pastimes. Tahar Basati Sthan Bhagatini Devi. An object of Krishna's worship is Radha. If you want to worship Krishna, Radha is there. Because you are topmost beauty. In the Brahma Gayatri, what you are thinking? Actually, Brahma Gayatri is in our lineage. Different lineage, they may say different things. But our lineage, is Bhurgo Devasya Dhimahi. Means what? Doto Nama is that Doto Nama, Doto Mana Parama Sundari. Bhurgo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo. Dhiyo, I am meditating that Parama Sundari. Where? Devi Kahi Doto Mana Parama Sundari. Who is that? In this spiritual abode, topmost beauty who has. No one can compare with her. Who is that? Radharani. That means we have to think about during the chanting of Brahma Gayatri, we are supposed to think about always Radharani. This is the perfect meaning. Krishna, Devi Kahi Doto Mana Parama Sundari. Parama Sundari means no one can compare. Topmost. Krishna Puja Kiran. Krishna Puja Kiran, whatever pastimes you are going to worship Krishna, be pleasing Krishna, Basati Nagari. Without that beautiful personification, there is no question of Krishna. Krishnamai Krishna jar bhitare bahire jaha jaha nitra pade taha Krishna spure. Krishnamai, who always thinking of Krishna, Krishna, Krishna. Like Mahaprabhu's mood was in, what mood was? Mahaprabhu's mood was like Mahaprabhu is Krishna, but mood is Radha, form is Radha. Nilachal in Purushottam Dham, Jagannath Puri. There is Subhadra Devi there, but not Radharani there. Right? So Mahaprabhu, although it's Krishna with the mood of Radha, how Radha felt separation from Krishna when Krishna left Mathura. That the test of the separation he realized over there in Purushottam Dham. On walks here, they are putting running. So this is our main goal. Therefore you can see this Mahaprabhu also chanting in Gambhira in Purushottam Dham that Kaha Krishna Pananath Murali Bada. Kaha means where? Krishna, Krishna. Prananath, my heart and soul. Who is this? Murali Bada, who is playing flute. Kaha jao? Where to go? Kaha pao? Where I will get you? Who is this? Brajendra Nandan. Brajendra Nandan meena phate more book. Book means chest, phate means explosion of my heart, of chest. Do we have some separation? So, we may say like that, we are just trying our best way to release such type of bhav, viraha. Therefore, our Srila Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami explained that this mood, Radharani had, after Radharani, Madhavendra Puripad realized that Radharani's mood. After Madhavendra Puripad, only Gaura Chandra, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. There is no any fourth person exists to realize that mood of separation for Krishna's mood for Krishna separation. So that separation called Vipralambo. That Vipralambo is our goal. And it just, in order to establish the Vipralambo, you have to establish a relation. No relation, no separation, no Vipralambo, you can say. First of all, you have to establish a relation. No relation, always quarrel. Arguing, quarrel, logic. I am the best, better than you. There is a question of you best or you lower. Question of this, how much you have feeling of separation. How much you are feeling separation if this service not properly performed. So you should not think this is not my duty, okay? We are not coming here for duty. We are coming here to establish loving service. Service with love. No question of that. No question of our duty. No question of service with some expectation. No question of this protecting myself through the service. I am protecting myself from my upcoming death, upcoming fear of death. At least Jamraj, God of death, will not disturb me. Question is, how much we become dear to Lalita? How much we become dear to a parampara? Nowadays what happened? You can see our tendency is this: I have to promote my Guru, therefore I have to defeat all the Vaishnava. Not glorifying Vaishnava and glorifying Gurudev is not like that taking place nowadays. In order to glorify Guru, we are ignoring, we are blaspheming to other Vaishnava. That is the main problem in present. Therefore, although we are showing we have so much temple, so much expansion, but what is your realization? What is your realization? It is off. Like a offering ornament to a dead body. Dead body. Dead body means body have no life, but we are trying to make the body happy. It's possible. It's not possible. So, just think about it. So anyway, I think, time I must finish. So Krishna Mahi Krishna jar bhitare bahire jaha jaha netra pade taha Krishna spure. We saw Mahaprabhu also there. Same. Wherever, like Mahaprabhu in the mood of Radharani, always searching Krishna. Radharani also same thing. Then Krishna Shaho Abhedatma. With Krishna, Abhed, no differences. Same. Krishna, Radha, same. In this regard, Kimba Premo Rashamoy Krishna Rasharu Tar Shakti Tar Shaho Hoya Guru. Premo Mahasham means embodiment of love. Premo Rashamoy. Premo, love. Rasha, melo. Moy, everything. Krishna Sharu. Krishna Akhila Rashamrita Murti. Akhila means so much. How many rasa exist, melo exist, all melo together, it will make it, which form appeared, that is called Krishna. Krishna, there will be Radha also there. Radha is Prema-ras. Radha is there. Therefore, there is Krishna's Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami explained Krishna Shaho Abhedatmata. Radha and Krishna, Abhed means no differences. Therefore, they are saying Kimba Premo Rashamoy Krishna Sharu. Who? Premo Rashamoy, embodiment of love, is Radha. Krishna Sharu, one form, internal form. That is Radha. Therefore, my spiritual master used to say, Krishna manifesting pastime himself. Krishna not manifesting pastime with Radha or gopis. Atmaram. Meaning of Atmaram is what? He himself manifesting with different form. He expands different form. So there is no question of like mundane, lusty connection. Rather, relishing the pastime. There is no any kind of mundane relation. Therefore, Krishna, although he has so many, outwardly look so many gopis, so many mohisi, so many, he is still Brahmachari. This is we are not able to understand that, therefore we are thinking confusing. কিংবা প্রেম রসময় কৃষ্ণের স্বরূপ, তার শক্তি তার সহ হয় এক রূপ, হয় এক রূপ, become a one form. His potency, his form, you one. Therefore, today's question is, should I call Radha Ma? Yeah, you can call. If we say Tameva Mata Cha Pita Tameva, you can say like that. But for us, our parampara is Ashray. Ashray Tattva, shelter. Radha's shelter is the shelter where we can reach our destiny. Destiny is become an eternal servant of Krishna. I think this is actually, so much. You will not finish even if you read maybe 1 month. It feels too big. I'm not reading any Bhaktivinoda Thakur commentary, Prabhupada commentary. It will be too big then. And just I guess whatever I understand with this text, just describe it in brief. Then Krishna Vancha Puranurup, Krishna Aradhana Hetu Radha Sangha. Krishna Vancha Puranurup, in order to fulfill the Krishna's all desire. Krishna Aradhana Hetu, in order to fulfilling the Krishna's desire and pleasing Krishna Aradhana, worshipping Krishna, Radha Sangha. The role of Radharani says, Krishna Vancha Puttiru Kare Aradhane Atev Radhika Nam Purane Bakhane. Such a nice explanation. Krishna Vancha Puttiru, whatever Krishna's desire, she is always trying to fulfill. That is her sadhana, aradhana means sadhana practice. Atev, therefore, Radhika Naam, Radha's name, Purane Bakhane, all Puran describing Radha's name. So I think I can explain next. If you want me to continue 4th chapter until 96th text, it's 2-minute text. I will finish tomorrow quickly, and then you can jump 8th. Very nice. Then 10th canto says Srimad Bhagavatam, Anayaradhita nunam Bhagavan Haririshara Janna Vihaya Govinda Pritajamanadhraya. I will explain tomorrow. Please excuse me. I have too hot temperature here. 42 degrees Celsius here. Am I right?
Now it is
39.
39 now.
Oh my God. Whole day 42, 43. Now 39. I think you understand what is meaning 39 after running fan. Here, দেখতে বলো যে কি হয়েছে, মানে কি বলে সোলার কি হলো, হ্যাঁ সেটা পাওয়া যাচ্ছে, হ্যাঁ দেখুন হ্যাঁ ঠিক আছে।